Across many different cultures, it is a common practice to reply with Yarhamukallah after someone sneezes, which translates to, May Allah have mercy on you. This seemingly simple phrase holds a deep-rooted sentiment of goodwill and blessings for the individual who has sneezed, demonstrating a genuine sense of kindness and understanding. It conveys a sincere wish for their health and happiness, underscoring the fundamental aspects of our shared humanity and the significance of displaying empathy. By offering the response, Yarhamukallah, in the face of a sneeze, we are actively spreading a message of love and concern, cultivating a sense of solidarity and togetherness among people.